Good morning, this is Dr. Calatrello. Just doing a brief video this morning to show you how simple it is to format your APA document. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the running head, which is an abbreviation of your essay's title. And here it is, Transformer Blues. So the running head, Transformer Blues, will show up on the upper right hand corner of every page of your essay along with the page number. Okay, so we've talked about that. We have 1-inch margins, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, I'd like your essays written in 12-point font, typically a conservative font like Arial or Times New Roman. And then the line spacing is typically double-spaced, 2.0. The line spacing on a document refers to the space between the lines. Now, on the title page, we have the title here. We have the student's name, the course name, and then we have college. Now, what I'm asking students to do this semester is to include their Alaska or KPC email address directly underneath the school name. Okay, so you see it here. This is thomas.kircher.alaska.edu. Okay, so the essays will be submitted using Blackboard. In each of the learning units that have essays, there'll be an assignment upload link. However, you'll receive your graded essay back from me via your email address. That's why it's critical that you include it there for me on the title page. Again, this part, the email address, is not APA format. This is just a step that I'm asking students to do because it will sort of streamline my workflow. Here's page 2, and again, you should recognize that this is the running head and the page number in the upper right-hand corner of each page of the essay. Page 3, page 4. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty short.